You had a routine, you had momentum, then life happened. A stressful week, a vacation, a bad mood. These are all part of life's unpredictable journey. It's not about if life will hit, it's about what you'll do when it does. Will you crumble under pressure, or will you rise to the occasion? Every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger, to learn, and to become more resilient. Remember, it's not the situation that defines you, but how you respond to it. One bad meal doesn't ruin your journey. One missed workout doesn't erase your progress. What ruins it is quitting. You fell off? Get back on. Missed a day? Don't miss two. Remember, you're building a lifestyle, not chasing a deadline. It's okay to stumble, but what's important is how you recover. Each step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Consistency is key. Embrace the journey, celebrate the small wins, and keep moving forward. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Make it easier to win. Keep protein snacks handy. Walk instead of scrolling. 20 minutes of movement still counts. Progress doesn't look like a straight line. It looks like chaos, effort, resets, real life. That's how you know it's working. If life's been throwing punches, don't give up. Swing back. Life can be tough, and it often feels like the challenges are never ending. But remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Keep pushing forward, no matter how hard it gets. Your resilience is your greatest strength. Like this video if you're still fighting. Subscribe for weekly fuel. We're here to support each other, and your engagement helps us reach more fighters like you. Together we can build a community of warriors. And comment below. What's been your biggest obstacle lately? Sharing your story can inspire others who might be facing similar challenges. Let's lift each other up and keep moving forward.